Hi, I'm Jillian from the Monash Health Library. This video will show you how to import the results of your literature search into Covidence. This will be useful for you if you have completed your literature search across multiple databases and are interested in collating and screening your results using Covidence. Covidence is an online tool designed for systematic review teams and other forms of literature reviews. It allows you and any collaborators to import references, screen them for relevancy, removing any irrelevant studies, and then extract data from a final group of included studies. Covidence helps to streamline this process and makes it easier to manage a large volume of literature on a given topic. You can access Covidence from the library website under the A to Z list of databases and apps, or under the literature searching list of databases. Monash Health has an institutional subscription to Covidence. Monash Health employees can create a free individual Covidence account and then link their account to our institutional license. Alternatively, you can request that the library create an account for you. More information can be found in our Covidence user guide. You will be importing references into a Covidence review, or a workspace setup for your project. If you don't already have a review set up, our Covidence user guide explains how to create one. Also ask the library team to create a review for you. The first stage of every Covidence review is Import References. Click Import to open this stage. Before you can import to Covidence, you must first ensure that your references are in a file format that is accepted by Covidence. Covidence accepts imports in the RIS format, EndNote XML format, or the PubMed format. RIS is a common file format used by reference management systems such as EndNote, Mendeley, and Zotero. RIS is also a common export option across a wide range of citation databases, such as Ovid, Medline, and Cochrane Library. First, we will look at importing database results directly into Covidence as RIS files. After completing your literature search in a database such as Ovid Embase, scroll to the Results section, tick All to select all results, and then click Export. Ensure that you select RIS as the format and that you select Complete Reference from the Fields dropdown. Click Export again to download the RIS file. Now you can import your references into Covidence as a RIS file. From the Import page in Covidence, first select which stage of the review you would like to import these references into. In most cases, this will be the screening stage. Next, select the source of the references from the drop-down list. In this example, the references are sourced from the Embase database. Covidence uses this information to create a Prisma flowchart for your review. Click Choose File, locate the correct file, and then click Import. Covidence will redirect you to the review summary page while it imports the references. Files containing a large number of references can take a few minutes to import. During this process, Covidence will automatically identify most duplicate references and remove them from the screening stage. Once the import has finished, you can see the number of duplicates and the number of studies ready for screening. If you would like to review the duplicates, simply click the Duplicates Removed link at the top. Now you know how to export references from a database as a RIS file and import them into Covidence for screening. If you have compiled your references in EndNote and wish to import them into Covidence, you can export them from EndNote in the XML format. Start by selecting the references that you wish to export, then click File, Export. In the Export window, enter a file name that will help you to locate the file later. Under the Save As Type dropdown, select XML. You can change the output style if you wish. Finally, click Save to download an EndNote XML file containing your selected references. Now you are ready to import your EndNote references into Covidence. From the Import page, follow the same steps as earlier, but this time choose your XML file before clicking Import. From your Review Summary page, you will see any additional duplicates that Covidence has identified, as well as the total number of references ready for title and abstract screening. If you have made a mistake during the import process, or would like to undo a file import for any other reason, you can do so from the Import page under the Import History tab. To undo a specific file import, simply click Undo Import on the right. Please note that once you have started title and abstract screening, You are no longer able to undo any imports. Repeat the import process until you have imported all required references into Covidence. After you have finished importing, you can then progress to the title and abstract screening stage. Now you know how to import references into Covidence. If you have further questions about Covidence or any other library resources and services, please visit our website at monashhealth.org/library or email library@monashhealth.org. Thank you for watching.